What's up, everybody?
Uptown Swing.
6 versus 8, this is week 2. We'll show you what we did. We started out with this little turn here. You know this basic inside turn, rock, step, triple step, but we made it an 8 count. Triple step, zoom, zoom, triple step. We're gonna use numbers, so brace yourself, purists. Just for a second, the 5. If I'm there by 5, it is really helpful. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. If my hand is coming through there, it does clarify that turn and make it easier for the followers. Rock, step, triple step, woo! Around the head. Then we did this simple thing. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Just like a half circle, but 6 counts. It's 180 degrees here. Rock, step, down the line, down the line. We try to make it very linear. That's new to you guys, so you might want to try it a little bit. You probably haven't done it with us before. Then we did something you do know. Rock, step, triple step, an 8 count circle, and we contrasted between them. Again, leaders and followers choosing what's happening each time. Then we did the double turn. So we did a tuck turn, that is 6 counts. Turn it slowly. Then we did a tuck turn, that is 8 counts. And we had you practice between the two. If you have someone to practice with, please try these two and mix it up. Mix up all these things.
We also talked about followers practicing doing turns on your own. We want you to do both ways, where we have rock, step, triple step, continue, do, get up, or that reverse from the tuck turn. Rock, step, triple step, boom, boom, triple step.
Put that on slow-mo and try it a bunch. You'll come stronger next week. Thanks, everybody. Pew!